What's up, coin collectors and numismatists? Today we have an unboxing. Let's see what's inside. Bet you it's something to do with coins. Package inside of a package, great. This eBay seller really had good protection. Okay, so we finally got the package open. And what I got was $8 and 90% silver quarters. So let's go through and see what we got. So it's basically just a mix of dates. I got this lot from eBay, and I saw a comment from Rick G's channel. I'll leave a link down in the description. Go check him out. He's only got like 350 subscribers, so go check him out, send him some love. So got the last year, 1964, 63, 62, 61. Well, there's some little bit of old stuff in there. 64, 64, in nice shape. 61, 64, 64. 52, that's nice. Most of them from the 60s, that's what I expect. %90 silver coins are great to have, very low premium. You can get in to silver coins for $10. What other investment can you make that only $10 gets you in the door? Well, that's a nice little old one, 1940s. So like I said, Rick G made a comment that, he wants to up his quarter stack, which made me look at mine and be like, yeah, I want to upgrade mine too. He makes some good content, so go check him out, please. These coins pre-1965 are 90% silver and 10% copper. You just can't beat, the value of just stacking a little bit at a time. For the amount that you'll buy, a Starbucks coffee or a couple Monster energy drinks, you can get into some type of investment that might pay off down the road. So, hope you're having a great day. Please rate, comment, and subscribe. And stay tuned for more videos in the future about coins. Thanks.